Today we are going to discuss about control system laboratory, that is 8th experiment, that is study of P, PI and PID controllers. So as we know, P means proportional controller, PI means proportional plus integral controller, PID means proportional, integral and derivative controller. So it is a software experiment which is 8th experiment in control system laboratory. So here the programs are quite simple. So directly they will be giving you a transfer function. So that transfer function you need to write command for that. So here the transfer function was g of s into h of s equals to 100 divided by 0.02 s square plus s plus 100. So numerator we are having 100. So that we are going to define here 100. Right. So 100 divided by denominator it is 0.02 s square plus s plus 100. So denominator 0.02 s square plus s plus 100. So highest order is 0.02. So in the numerator we don't have s square and s term. So because of that reason we are put 0 for that. Then next same command, step numerator comma denominator. Then if you want the answer in terms of grid, you can write grid also. See, you got the graph. So in terms of grid, so you will get the graph in terms of grid. So here we need to define peak response, settling time, rise time, then steady state. So right click on your mouse, you will get characteristics. So click on all the respected values. Then you will get the dot. Click on that, so you get the value. Right, settling time it is 0.15 s. Then peak response, that is 1.3. In terms of peak overshoot percentage it is 30%. Then rise time it is 0.02 second. So similarly we will solve for PI controller. So CLC command which is used to clear. Now we will take the transfer function as 100s plus 20 divided by 0.02 s cube plus s square plus 100s plus 20. So numerator 100 s plus 20. So denominator we are having s cube term 0.02 s cube plus 1 s square plus 100s plus 20. See here s cube term is there, s cube, s square, s raised to 0. So here numerator 100s plus 20. So other terms keep it as 0. Then inbuilt command, step numerator comma denominator, you get the response. So characteristics, settling time, rise time, steady state. So click so that you will get the value. So these values you can note down in your tabular column. So similarly, we are going to discuss about PID controller. CLC for clear. Then in PID controller, we'll take another different transfer function, that is in terms of S cube. So transfer function G of S into H of S, that will be 0.7 S square plus 100 S plus 20 in the numerator. In the denominator, 0.02 S cube, 1.7 S square, 100 S plus 20. So numerator, we are having 0.7 S square plus 100 S plus 20. S cube is highest number, so numerator S cube will be 0. Denominator 0.02 S cube plus 1.7 S square plus 100 S plus 20. So inbuilt command step numerator comma denominator, we'll get the graph. If you want in terms of grid, you can get the grid also, the grid form also. So same way, right click, characteristics, peak response, settling time, rise time and steady state. So these values you can note down in a tabular. So this is regarding P, PI and PID controllers. Thank you.